everyone, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. Thank you so much for taking the time to log on and join me today for a fantastic day of food. So it's currently the weekend. It's actually the last weekend for the kids start school again next week, and I am so ready for it. So today we had our last kind of weekendy type breakfast, and we had pancakes, which are absolutely delicious. And the great thing about this week's is we had them with a Biscoff spread on top, which was insane. I'm going to insert that now. So we really enjoyed those. They were 7 points per serving and they were delicious. But it's now lunchtime and I'm feeling like having a sandwich today. I feel like some comfort food. So I hope you'll enjoy it. And when it comes to dinner tonight, I'm thinking about doing a chicken dish. I'm not too sure yet, but I've taken chicken out to defrost, so I will update you guys when I know. It'll be something when the Weight Watchers app, because I'm feeling like cooking something from that today, so it's just easy for pointing. So yeah, I will link everything that I'm wearing down below as well. This t-shirt is from Topshop, these jeans also from Topshop as well. And yeah, let's get on with the day. I'm going to make myself a sandwich, as I said before. So I'm going to be using this bread, which is the Tesco's multi-seed. I really like this. This is a small loaf because I didn't want one of the big ones because I had quite a hefty breakfast of the pancakes, which you've seen. These are 3 points per slice or 5 points for two. So I'm going to be having two, which will be 5 points, along with one of my guilty pleasures in life, which is chicken spread. I'm not overly, fussy about the brand, but I do like this one, which is Tesco's. I also like the Shiphams and the Aldi one as well, both really nice. And this is going to be about 2 points for the serving that I'm going to have. So that's 7 points for lunch. Now, and we've just come out to a park just to come for a walk to dust the cobwebs off, let the kids let off a little bit of steam. I did find a recipe that I wanted to do for tonight's dinner. You will have seen that a few frames ago, and I think I pretty much have everything that I need to make that. So as soon as we head home, I will do that. I often get asked about the activity points on Weight Watchers when I walk and when I do activities and working out. I don't track it, and I don't eat the activity points either. So yeah, that is the answer to that. But yeah, lovely day so far. back from our walk and I've just put myself a coffee on before I make dinner. It's about 5 o'clock now, so I do need to make a start, but I want a warm drink first because honestly guys, it was quite cold today. The seasons have definitely clicked, as I mentioned. So I've already tracked dinner because tonight's dinner is going to cost me 6 points, and it's called chicken and mushroom masala, which I'm very excited to have. But that means I have 8 left over for the day, so I'm going to use 3 for a flatbread, and I'm going to weigh out 5 points with the Maltesers. For God's sake, fucking it is this chicken and mushroom masala, which everything that you're going to need is going to be in the description box down below, and as you can see that is 6 points. You're going to need some skinless chicken breast, which I have here, 60 grams worth of rice, or 120 grams for 2, but obviously this is 2 servings, so 60 grams for 1 person, but 120 grams for 2 people. A large onion, some fat-free Greek yogurt. I have some ground cumin here, some ground coriander, some garam masala, some garlic and ginger. I also have a red chili. That would have had oil in it if I was on the ball. I'm clearly not today, guys. And I also have some washed mushrooms here as well. Forgot to mention that the recipe calls for a tin of chopped tomatoes. I prefer to use passata, but feel free to use chopped tomatoes. They haven't gone in yet anyways, but right now I'm just browning off the onions and letting the chicken sit in the marinade. Alright, so that is now start bubbling away. I've just got some fresh coriander that I'm going to chop, and this is going to be ideal for sprinkling on the top. I'm also going to check and see if I have any toasted almonds in the cupboard, because I think that would add a nice crunch to the top, but if not, it'll just be a sprinkling of coriander. But feel free to leave this out, guys, because I know a lot of people do not like the taste of coriander. We happen to love it, but just add whatever herbs you would like to the top. What I eat in a day. Thank you so much for watching. The curry was really nice. I would definitely recommend giving it a try, especially if you like mushrooms, and it was the kind of dish that you could incorporate any veg that you would like, anything that you have going off in the fridge, feel free to chuck it in. Aubergine, courgette, it was just a really easy one. But yeah, really flavourful, and I would definitely recommend it. If you want to know how to make it, check out the description box down below where you can see the point value and the quantities and everything like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. As you've seen, I've come to the end now, so the only thing I'm going to have for my supper is an orange, which is pretty standard for me. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe if you're new to see more what I eat days from me, and also to see regular cook along with me videos, because I have a recent series that I've just launched called Cook with Natasha Summar, where I literally go through each step of each recipe for you guys. So if that is something you're interested in, check out the playlist in the description box down below, and I'll see you in my next video.